9 out of 10 people don't know how to boil potatoes. Just a little bit westernized and you'll have dishes for both adults and children. I love making things myself. It only costs a few dollars. A whole large plate, clean, and you can eat with peace of mind. First, remember to choose potatoes. Choose the yellow fleshed potato because this type is high in starch. Use less water. The fried egg will be crispier, absorb less oil, and look better. Make it even prettier before you cut the potatoes open. Then cut the sticks of this size into long, evenly sized strips. The thickness should be about the size of your little finger. Once it's cut, that's fine. Then set it aside. This leftover scraps. Don't throw away the shredded vegetables. You can stir fry them or mix them into a salad. They're delicious either way. Next, put the pot of water on the stove. Bring the water to a boil, then add a little salt. It already tastes good. Add the potatoes. My name is Tran Koi. This step has two purposes. Firstly, to reduce the amount of starch inside. Second, shorten the frying time with this tip. After sharing everything, remember to follow. Please support me. Wishing everyone lots of success. Money reduces frustration. I'm in good health and everything is going smoothly. I feel. Thank you everyone so much. Potato slices. After 2 minutes, take them out and rinse them with cold water. Going through cold water like this. This is to prevent the potatoes from turning dark due to acidification later. The second black mark is to prevent the potatoes from becoming soggy when fried. It will be difficult to take it out of the water and make it taste good. Drain the water thoroughly. Make sure the potatoes are completely dry. The drier the stick gets, the better. If the batter doesn't coat evenly, it won't fry properly. Beautiful. Put everything into a large bowl before the next step. According to the very important thing, I'm sure. 2 egg yolks, only the yolk is used. Remove the egg white from the yolk, so the fried potatoes will turn out beautifully golden and look incredibly delicious. The egg yolk also makes the sweet potatoes taste better, and it also helps the fries turn out even crispier and more golden. Look everyone, this type of flour-covered jacket won't drip flour. The next point is the most important one. You absolutely must use pure cornstarch. That's the key to make the fries crispy. AI loves going out to eat French fries. Remember to like and save this video. Coat the potatoes with flour, then shake off the excess flour. Coat with flour, then turn golden brown and crispy. Delicious. Don't fry it right away. Put it in the refrigerator first. 2 hours to fry. Potatoes will be much crispier and tastier. The frozen potatoes are almost ready. Let's open it and see. That's enough for now. It's fine. Heat the oil for about 5 minutes. 10% hot drop plus side. If you see small bubbles forming, it's ready. Now add the potatoes like this. Release it slowly, little by little. Remember to insert it gently and slowly. Just watch out, or the oil might splash on you. The burns hurt a lot. But when you first put them in, don't flip them over immediately. Let it settle first, then we can touch it. Potatoes. It breaks easily. Cook for about a minute, then shake. Let the potatoes soften now. Everyone take a look at the outside of the potato field. With a layer of powder coating it, the oil has difficulty penetrating. Frying in the open air will absorb less oil, but the heat will be higher during frying. Don't use too much heat, otherwise the potatoes will burn easily. There will be no more food, right? But fire too. Don't cut it too small, or the potatoes will absorb too much oil. The food tastes even worse when fried. Seeing that it's slightly changing color like this, I'll take it out first. Wait until the oil heats up to about 60%. Then add the potatoes. Fry it again. Frying it twice is the secret. To fry the crispy potatoes until, when it's this golden and crispy, you can take it out of the water now, okay? How to fry potatoes. With this, there's no need to go out and buy more. A little ketchup is our favorite. Use these small fries as dipping sauce. If it's 100 points, how many points would everyone give it? Try a bite and show it to everyone. And mind. It's always crispy, perfect for households with young children. Let the kids try it, it's delicious.